Welcome to the MPC Archives for Series 461, presented by Kingswell Collection. If you're holding a piece of this historic debut issue, you're about to discover where it's circulated overseas, what it's worth today, and how a single missing letter can completely shatter the standard price guide. Introduced in September of 1946, Series 461 was the very first official run of military payment certificates. If you served in occupied Europe, the Mediterranean, or the Pacific right after World War II, this was your daily currency. Let's establish the baseline market values for Series 461, broken down into three clean condition tiers: heavily circulated, lightly circulated, and gem uncirculated. Starting with the pocket change fractionals, a heavily circulated note is worth about $2, jumping to $10 for lightware, and up to $60 for a flawless gem example. The quarter and half-dollar fractionals command a massive premium in top grades, moving from $6 heavily circulated up to an impressive $250 for gem uncirculated survivors. For the major denominations, the $1 note sits at $3 heavily worn and $15 lightly circulated, but spikes to $250 in gem condition. Interestingly, the highest denominations of the series sit at $20 heavily circulated, $30 lightly circulated, and top out right around $225 for a gem. But those are just the standard baseline figures. This is where the price guide completely breaks open. If you look at your serial number and notice that the trailing letter is missing, you are holding a replacement note. Even a heavily worn 5 or 10 cent replacement note jumps instantly to $50, while a gem example can command a massive $1,000. The ultimate prize of the series is the $1 replacement note, which skyrockets from $70 heavily circulated all the way up to $1,500 in gem uncirculated condition. Even the $5 and $10 replacements scale rapidly, pulling anywhere from $300 to well over $1,000. That concludes our archive file for Series 461. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking to sell or evaluate your military payment certificate collection, please contact me directly at info@kingswellcollection.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of the MPC Archives.